Dear student, today I am going to start the new chapter of the reader book given on page number 5, chapter number 2, the sea. So, in this chapter, we are going to learn a lesson. Okay? So, let's start. Long, long ago in China, there lived a wise emperor whose once dark bread had turned the color of new fallen snow. This line emphasizes that long, long ago in China, this is a story in China, there lived a wise emperor. Emperor means the king, whose once dark bread. Bread is the, you can say the ponytail, okay? The plates we make, the ladies, or in China, the Chinese people also, they make bread in their hairs. So, had turned the color of new fallen snow. This line shows that the king was old, and he was old, and it was time for him to choose a successor. Means वो बहुत ही उनका एज जो है बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया था एंड ही वांटेड टू चूज अ सक्सेसर, मतलब कि वो अपना एक उत्तराधिकारी चुनना चाहते थे. एंड although he had many sons and grandsons to choose from, the emperor felt that power and wealth had made his heirs lazy. Although he had, means the king had sons and grandsons, उसके sons भी थे, grandsons भी थे, वो उनमें से किसी एक को successor या उत्तराधिकारी अपना चुन सकता था. But he felt that the power and wealth had made it heirs lazy. Heirs means people qualified to become the next king, means they were qualified enough to be a king, but the power and wealth was not compelling him to make them as a successor. He wanted to appoint someone outside the family. Okay, वो किसी ऐसे इंसान को उत्तराधिकारी बनाना चाहता था जो उनके फैमिली मेंबर्स से बिलोंग ना करता हो. So loud drums called a gathering of young men to the temple at the top of the mountain. Where they arrived, the emperor, seated on a magnificent throne, announced it is time to choose the next emperor. And it so happened that loud drums means ढोल बजने लगे. Gathering of young men, और जो मंदिर था at the top of the mountain, there were many people, a crowd of people were there, and when they arrived, the emperor seated, and when the people were there, the emperor, means the king, seated on a magnificent throne, means extremely beautiful, means the throne was very beautiful and it looked very elegant and powerful. And it time to choose the next emperor, means it was the time to choose the next king. Why? Because the king was growing old. And the shocked townmen whispered among themselves, nothing like this has ever happened before. And the shocked townsmen, means वहाँ जो लोग थे वो बहुत ही shocked थे, and they were whispering, means फुसफुसाकर आपस में बात कर रहे थे, because this was the situation that never happened. क्योंकि जो emperor था वो उनके family members से ही belong करते थे और वो he was the only the king, the emperor, and this was the time that he wanted to choose an emperor or his successor that would be an outsider, जो एक बाहर का एक member होगा. So this was the new scenario for the outsider. The emperor continued, today each of you will take a seat. In 1 year you will bring your plant to the temple. So this was the condition. Okay, the emperor continued, today each of you will take a seat. Means आप सभी अपने घर जाएंगे. एक बीज the king was giving the seed. Okay, he said that he will provide a seed जो बीज होता है, and in 1 year you will bring your plant to the temple. मतलब कि मैं यहाँ से एक बीज दूंगा, एक प्लांट का बीज दूंगा, वो आप अपने घर ले जाएंगे और 1 साल के बाद इसी जगह पे, मीन्स द टेम्पल, आप यहाँ वापस लेकर आएंगे जब वो जर्मिनेट हो जाएगा और दैट विल बी द सीड विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू अ प्लांट. Okay, this was the condition. A golden bowl filled with seeds were set up before the crowd. Each people took just one seat. A young man named June was last in line. He chose his seat carefully. And a golden bowl filled with seeds. You can see in the picture also there was a bowl. एक bowl था और उसमें बहुत सारे seeds थे. And each person वहाँ पे जितने लोग इकट्ठे हुए थे सबने एक एक उसमें से बीज उठाया. And a young man named June and the boy's name was June. June was last in line and he was the last in line. In between or in the crowd there was a boy named June. He chose it careful और उसने जो बीज सेलेक्ट किया वो बहुत ही केयरफुली चूज किया. Okay. Now see what happened. Holding it tightly in his fist, he ran home to tell his mother. She listened to the story and gave him a beautiful blue and white porcelain bowl. June placed pebbles and then soil in the bowl and tenderly planted his seed. Tenderly here means kindly or you can say kindness or very lovingly. बहुत प्यार से उसने उस पौधे को लगाया. Each day June carefully watered the seed. He watched and waited, but nothing happened. Others talked about their plants that were pushing up through the soil. Weeks passed and still June's seed did not sprout. So June he went to home और उसने अपनी मम्मी से ये सारी कहानी बताया. And she listened to the story and उसकी मम्मी ने उसे एक ब्लू कलर का पोर्सलेन बाउल. पोर्सलेन इज like a substance that is for made by baking clay used for making cups. It's a clay, okay, material. बाउल में उन्होंने दिया and जून जो है उसने उस बाउल में बहुत ही प्यार से उस सीड को रख दिया. उसमें उसने मिट्टी डाली and he watched and waited. और उसने मिट्टी डालने के बाद उसमें कुछ थोड़ा सा पानी डाला और वो वेट करने लगा so that it will germinate. But nothing happened. लेकिन कुछ हुआ नहीं. Other talked about their plants that were pushing up through the soil. और जो उसके साथ जो लोग गए थे उन लोगों से वो बातें सुनता था that कि उनका प्लांट जो है वो ग्रोथ हो रहा है, वो बढ़ रहा है. Weeks passed and still June's seed did not sprout. Sprout means there was not a sapling. मतलब कि सीड जो है वो स्प्राउट नहीं हुआ था. Okay, means ग्रो नहीं कर रहा था. सीड जो है एक सैपलिंग के फॉर्म में वो निकल ही नहीं रहा था. एंड वीक पास बहुत ही हफ्ते पास हो गए बट स्टिल ही वेटेड. Something's wrong, June thought, but he did not give up and kept watering his seed. Other men in the village were transplanting their original plants into bigger containers. June thought he must have done something wrong. He prayed in the temple for a miracle. So what happened? June thought that something was wrong because the other people's plants were growing. क्योंकि वो लोग बातें कर रहे थे कि उनका प्लांट जो है वो ग्रोथ कर रहा है, बड़ा हो रहा है. And June he was so worried and he was thinking that even after watering the plant, taking care of the watering the seed and taking care of the seed that he has placed into the pot, and he wondered that why it was not growing. और उसे लगा कि उसमें कुछ गड़बड़ है. And he was so sad that one year marked, एक साल बीत गया and it was time to carry the plant up. And something was wrong in that, he thought. Okay, and उसने प्रार्थना किया that कि कुछ चमत्कार हो जाए. Like miracle is something that extraordinary things to happen. But nothing happened. 6 months went by and still nothing grew in his blue and white bowl. Could I have filled my seed with too much water? He wondered. So June उसने क्या सोचा कि वो डेली उसमें पानी डाला था, तो क्या उसके पानी डालने से क्या वो सीड मर गया है and क्या वो स्पॉइल हो गया है? He wondered. All around in the village there were containers filled with wonderful looking plants. And उसने देखा कि विलेज में सभी लोगों के पास जो कंटेनर थे उसमें जो प्लांट्स हैं सब ग्रो कर रहे थे. And he was very sad and worried that why it was not happening with him. And ऐसा हुआ कि एक साल बीत गया and it was the time to carry the plant up to the mountain, okay, to the temple. तो अब एक साल हो गया था और वो सीड को जो सीड है जो किंग ने प्रोवाइड किया था वो उसे अब वहाँ टेम्पल में मंदिर में ले जाना था जो माउंटेन पे था. because Chun was very sad and he was very upset that and he was so embarrassed that he don't wanted to take the bowl along with him. एंड ये उसने अपनी मदर को बताया कि वो उस बाउल को ले नहीं जाना चाहता है. यू मस्ट गो सी एनकरेज बट उनकी उसकी मदर ने उसे इनकरेज किया एंड सी टोल्ड दैट यू हैव डन योर बेस्ट एंड मस्ट कीप योर प्रॉमिस एंड यू हैव डन योर बेस्ट एंड यू मस्ट कीप योर प्रॉमिस. जैसा किंग ने कहा था आपको वो फॉलो करना चाहिए एंड आपको वहाँ जाना चाहिए. लेट्स सी व्हाट विल हैपन. Although Chun felt sad and a little embarrassed, he carried his empty bowl up the steps that lead to the temple. When he arrived at the top, there were so many plants that it was easy to hide his empty bowl among them. और ये हुआ कि embarrassment is very shy and uncomfortable. Okay, बहुत ही embarrassed था और वो अपना बाउल वहाँ पे ले गया. स्टेप बाय स्टेप जो स्लोप्स थे टेम्पल्स चढ़ने के लिए वो चढ़ा वहाँ गया तो उसने वहाँ देखा कि सभी के प्लांट्स वहाँ पे बहुत ही अच्छे दिख रहे थे. इतने ज़्यादा ग्रोथ और इतने ज़्यादा प्लांट्स थे कि उसका जो बाउल है वो उसमें छिप जा रहा था. बिकॉज देयर वर नो प्लांट्स. उसकी जो सीड थी वो वैसी ही थी, उसमें कोई प्लांट ने उसमें जर्मिनेट नहीं हुआ था, ग्रोथ नहीं किया था. These are the most beautiful plants I have ever seen, exclaimed the emperor as he sat on his throne. As he stood up and walked around, he noticed that empty blue and white porcelain bowl behind a big plant. And the king, जब वो अपने throne पे बैठा, तो he said that कि बहुत ही सुंदर दिख रहा है. They were very beautiful plants. And then after he said, but as he stood up, जब वो खड़े हुए and he walked around, जब वो वहाँ पे जब चले तो उन्होंने देखा कि एक जो बाउल था वो एम्प्टी था, उसमें कोई प्लांट दिख नहीं रहा था. So what's this? He questioned, holding the bowl in his hand. Chun tried to hide, but those near him laughed and pushed him forward. और किंग ने क्वेश्चन उठाया that holding the bowl, उसने अपने उसके बाउल को अपने हाथ में लिया and Chun he was trying to hide that bowl. He don't wanted to give that bowl, but the people behind him, they pushed him and pushed him forward. Then what is your name? The emperor asked. So जो emperor था, जो king था, उसने उसका नाम पूछा. My name is Chun. He whispered without looking up. And he whispered without looking up means he was so shy and uncomfortable that he whispered. बहुत ही धीमी आवाज में उसने अपना नाम बताया. Without looking up, he was in this position. Then why did you bring me an empty bowl? He questioned. My seed didn't grow. Chun replied, I failed. And the king asked the question and the reason behind that why the seed was not converted into a plant. Then Chun replied that he failed. ऐसा नहीं हो पाया. And you did not fail, the emperor said. Last year I passed out seeds and told you all to plant them, but the seed I gave you had been boiled. None of them could have possibly grown. So now this is the fact that किंग ने क्या कहा कि लास्ट ईयर जो मैंने सीड दिया था सभी को कि वो एंड टोल्ड यू ऑल टू प्लांट देम, और उन्होंने बोला था कि उसको प्लांट करेंगे बट द सीड, लेकिन जो उन्होंने सीड जो प्रोवाइड किया था वो बॉयल था, वो उबाली हुई सीड थे. एंड यू नो दैट अब सीड व्हेन इट इज बॉइल्ड इट लूजेस इट्स कैपेसिटी टू जर्मिनेट. ठीक है, उबाली हुई सीड जो है उससे प्लांट या सैपलिंग्स या प्लांट उगाए नहीं जा सकते हैं. यू नो दैट. So he raised his voice and spoke to the crowd, and the king raised his voice and spoke to the crowd. When you find out that your seed would not sprout, you substituted other seeds. And king ने सभी लोगों से कहा कि जब आपको लगा कि इसमें प्लांट नहीं ग्रोथ कर सकता है तो आप सभी ने सीड को रिप्लेस कर दिया, just to show me that it has grown. And you want to be a successor, or you want to take the position of my throne. And only the one person had enough honesty and courage to bring me the original seed. That is why Chun will be the next emperor. And the king announced that Chun was very honest. Okay, and he was very courageous that he brought the seed, the king which provided 1 year ago. And Chun जो है उसी seed के साथ साथ वहाँ पे बहुत ही ऑनेस्टी के साथ प्रेजेंट था एंड द किंग वॉज वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड एंड ही डिसाइडेड टू चूज द नेक्स्ट एम्पायर और किंग ने चून को अपना नया एम्पायर घोषित किया।